Hi everyone, it's Adam here from CaddPro with some Bentley Civil software tips. This time around I've got 5 quick tips on vertical geometry. So tip number 1 is opening the vertical alignment from the Project Explorer. So all we need to do is navigate down to the OpenRoads model, find our alignments and highlight the alignment we want, and we can see it's highlighted in the plan view there. Right click and go Open Profile window. Okay. Tip number 2 is to place lines at a distance and slope. So we'll just place a line, and we've got two choices here. We can either lock on the length here as 100, or we'll make it 1%, and we've got a vertical line. The other way to do it is to key in directly into these floating dialog boxes. So the length can be 100, and hit our right arrow key and bring up the slope, so -1. There we go. So that now I've got two vertical lines in there. Tip number 3, making sure our geometry is connected properly. So I'll insert a vertical curve here between two elements, a parabola. Select our first element, second element, and let's just do it dynamically, trim both elements, and we've got a bit of a vertical alignment there. Now I'm going to complex it together, and that's one vertical alignment now. So now if I click on it, try and modify the intersection point here, we can see things are going a bit strange. The constraints that I've used aren't quite working for me. So what I like to do early on in the piece is go straight to the table editor and open it up in the table editor, hit apply. And if we go back to our profile now, we should be able to modify a vertex, and I'll modify the length here as well, make that 75 meters long. All right, tip number 4, inserting a vertex graphically. So we'll go back to our drawing workflow, go to insert vertex, click on that tangent we're after. So I'll insert a vertex there, another one there. We can also delete a vertex using the delete vertex command. So, all right, so we've done that. So tip number 5 is making sure a vertical alignment starts and finishes at the same level, which can be really important when you're designing a roundabout central island, or any island for that matter, that you want to start and finish at the same level. So I'll place a line and I'll turn off my persist snaps for now, and I'll just snap to the start of the alignment, and we'll make the slope 0. Snap to the end of the alignment there. So I've got a horizontal line, vertical line there that's starting and finishing at the same RL. I'll turn my persist snaps back on now. So I'll select our vertical alignment and snap to there. Snap to the other end of that vertical alignment that I created. Now I should be able to shift this alignment up and down, and we can see that this line is always horizontal, and the end of the vertical alignment and the start are always at the same RL, as I said, which is really important when designing an island that starts and finishes at the same RL. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any ideas for future videos, put a comment in the comments area. Thank you.